Well, I was at work one afternoon. Had gotten a call from my brother that my mother had been in an automobile accident. So I got over to the accident site as quickly as I could and saw how the car looked. And she was not there, and I knew it was pretty bad. So I went on to the hospital, and of course, she was in intensive care and whatnot. And after thinking about it, I had consulted with my employer. He told me that Matt Myers is an excellent attorney, and he said you definitely need to get him to represent your mother in this case to handle everything. I didn't have time to deal with all of this, and so when he told me to see Matt Myers, I went to him, and they took me in, and by me already being power of attorney, everything went through very smooth. He told me exactly what I needed to do. I signed the paperwork, and we got the ball rolling.
In Eliza's case, she was hit by, it was a hit and run driver actually, who, since we could not identify the driver, we did identify the car and the owner of the car, who actually lived in a different state and had no insurance. Her claim was an uninsured motorist claim. In an uninsured motorist claim in North Carolina, and an underinsured claims also, you can take different policies of insurance and do what's called stacking. You can stack them to get on top of each other to add the coverages together. Through that process with him, we uncovered something that he didn't really think about was another car that he had at their house, an older car, which luckily for her, his mother, also had an active insurance policy and uninsured coverage, which, as I said, is required in North Carolina, but they had on that policy also, he had more than the minimum coverage. So by going through that investigation process and questioning with him, we uncovered that additional policy, which added to the insurance coverage that was available to her, that we were able to recover the full amount.
They took care of everything. It was just a big load off of me because I had to handle the household in her absence. He explained how this whole process works. It was very complex, but he made it very easy, and it made us feel assured that everything was being taken care of in the proper manner in which it was. And I'm very happy and satisfied, and my mother is too.